This is Simon at Raptor. Today I'm excited to unbox the Vector HD580 remote controller system. Stop. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the box here. The case is included standard with all of our HD580 drones. Go ahead and open the box. You can see very nice package, very well protected in the box as well. And we have our remote controller right here. Go ahead and remove it. And there it is. So this has a very high brightness display. It has external swappable batteries, which I'll show you in a second, and a couple other really slick features. So our batteries are going to be right here. And it does include 2 in every package. We also have our charging hub board. It looks like this, that allows for charging of 2 of the batteries, along with the power supply for the charger, which just plugs in like that. Very simple. Additionally, another neat feature that's included with this remote is an RTK dongle. This plugs into the top of the remote and converts this remote controller into a mapping device. So this allows centimeter grade precision for your mapping. And finally, we have, this is unique to this remote, an extra antenna. And this antenna screws in right here. And this allows communication with the Vector portable RTK base station. So it's a separate communication system. A very simple system to operate. The batteries install right here. Open the back, and you can slide the battery in. And this remote supports both Wi-Fi, but you also have the option, it's on the top, for a SIM card for mobile data. And it also has USB-C charging. So in addition to these external batteries, the remote also has a built-in battery, which allows you to easily run all day with these 2 external batteries and the built-in battery without ever shutting it off. All right. If you want to learn any more about this system or any of the other products we offer, visit raptordynamic.com or click on the link below. Thanks.